What's that smell? Yuck.
Ito na ba yung bahay na tinutukoy niyo?
Yeah, parang ito na nga.
Clover, kailangan natin maghiwa-hiwalay.
Yeah, okay. Ay, my God. Where's the bathroom here? Magsisiyar lang ako. Oh my God! Face card never declines, period!
Hello? Ako din! May umatake sa akin!
Ano nangyayari?
Hindi to nangyari last time, ha?
Kailangan natin lumabas dito! Tara na! Let's go!
Clover! Clover, sandali lang!
Did you hear that?
Ano yun? Ba't ang bilis?
Tumakbo na tayo!
Max, halika na!
Oh my God!
Takbo! Go, babe! Muna ka na!
Babe! Stay with me, Megan. Megan!
Please don't leave me!
Guys! Tulong! Guys!
Megan? Ano nangyari sa kanya?
Tulong! Megan! Oh my God! Ayos ka lang! Megan! Oh my God! Megan, sino kapunta sa'yo? Hindi ko alam. Okay. Push! Go, Megan! Kaya mo yan! Go! Go! Push pa, Megan! Malapit na! Oh my God! Wala na si Megan. Ano yun?
What the... Guys! Kailangan nyo ito makita!
Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't like this poster. I didn't get my face right. No one has been past 13 nights.
Yeah, and every night, somebody's trying to kill us. Ayos ka lang? Babe, saan ka pupunta?
Wait lang.
Teka lang. Babe, ayos ka lang? Babe! Ayos ka lang, Clover. May something sa hangin, kaya tayo namamatay.
My God! Not again! My God, guys! I wanna go home! We keep dying here in this house! Nakakapagod na mamatay uli! Okay, then let's get out of here! Belle, di ba meron kang car? Tara, let's get out of here!
Okay, tara.
Let's go! Tara na! Shucks, tara, let's go! Umalis na tayo dito habang wala pang monster na umatake sa atin. Okay, let's go!
Shucks.
What?
Nakalimutan ko yung susi. Shh! Narinig niyo yun?
Walang makinig.
Ano yun?
It's a move! Run! Guys, asa na kayo? Again? Hello?
Megan? Ayos ka lang?
Bye. Megan? Megan, no! Megan? Megan, wag. Hindi na kayo makakalabas dito ng buhay. Oh my God. Max? Ayos ka lang? Max! Wag! Max! Max! No! Max, please, wag! 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 Sino yan?
We're safe here sa bathroom.
My gosh, guys! I thought you were my doppelganger again! Close the door.
Okay.
So, what's the plan?
There's no plan. We're staying all here para ligtas tayo.
Ang tanong, safe pa talaga tayo? Yeah. I don't wanna die again. Same, girl.
If we wanna survive, we have to make it until dawn. Ano nangyayari? Sino nagpatay ng ilaw?
Hindi ako.
Hindi rin ako. Where's Nina?
Oh my God! Ngayon si Clover na naman yung nawawala!
There's someone killing us kapag nawawala yung ilaw. Max! Takbo! Let's get out of here habang may oras pa.
Oh, kailangan nating umalis dito. Pero umuulan, so that's a bonus already. Okay lang yan. Sumakay na lang tayo sa car ni Abel. Let's go. Yeah, whatever. Let's go.
Bilis! Sumakay na kayong lahat!
Okay, drive the car now! Bilis! Faster! Look out! What is that? Asan na ba sila?
Guys! Nasaan na kayo?
Clover? Clover, what?
Dito nakita ko mismo merong basement.
That's not a good idea to go to the basement.
Feel ko kasi safe tayo dito. Magtago until dawn.
Yeah, fine.
What is that? sila?
Hindi ko alam.
Abel? Sino yan? Clover, tumakbo ka na!
Please. I don't want to die again. Oh my gosh, Abel. Max, where are they?
I don't know.
Gosh, last day na ngayon.
What are you waiting for? Kill me now! Clover? Ayos ka lang?
Mukha ba ako okay? All our friends are dead.
Ha?
Kailangan mo ko patayin.
Nagsasabi mo?
Sige na! Kailangan mo patayin, okay?
Nababaliw ka na ba, Clover?
Max, tignan mo! Pati na mga kaibigan natin.
Hindi ko yung magagawa sa'yo.
Wala na tayong oras.
Ah!